Hi there, it's Jerry with Sky Management again to talk to you today about a problem that anybody that owns an apartment community can have, and that is cockroaches. You may very well get somebody that moves in that has these brought in on their person or brought in on a box or a piece of furniture that they got from a thrift store. In either case, if you own several apartments, eventually at some point you're going to run into someone that has cockroaches. Typical people in their home will run out and buy something like this. It's an ant and roach killer. This one came from Walgreens, or they'll buy a home defense spray from Lowe's. And the problem with these typical products is they are a kill on contact type system. So when you spray this, it'll kill the insect, but it doesn't get any of the rest of them in the nest. And it also just drives them further back into the wall. You don't want that either. They'll breed back there and it'll continue to become a problem. So what we have learned is the best product we have come up with is a combat type product. This is a Combat Platinum Roach Killing Gel. There's also Combat Advanced Gel that comes in the same tube. I think it may be black instead of white. They all typically work about the same. You use the injector tube to put down some of this product. They will come try to eat it. They like it. They continue to come back and eat it. They take it back to the nest and it eliminates the entire nest. This stuff works. This Combat Platinum Gel works. What you do is you go into a cabinet. You simply put it on the back side of some of the hinges and along the inside edges where they will walk. And you can do it also around baseboards and put it in places underneath sinks and dark, damp places where they would like to feed, and they will come, they will eat it, and within a handful of days, you shouldn't see any more. Now, if it becomes a serious problem beyond that where this can't handle it, you need to call a professional. But I would certainly save yourself the trouble and give this a shot first.